Welcome to the Prince Prime Show. You already know. And there is so much emergency. Mummy and Chow crab, mummy and day, mummy and bosso. What they go on for Ghana? Hey, Ministry for Roads and Highway. What is going on? Please, Mumbua ni intimi solve our problem we. Ghana na it is a river. Since so ethnic one say echo ni say echo. Aban bia beba su bia kra no. Still your ministry for roads and highways no. O de mo hwe yen gotes. Hwe o de mo hwe yen gotes ne ho nyama nso to kra. Sometimes kra nso no enfa gota no. What are we doing? Every time they are buying and buying a BSA. No, sometimes we have to hold these ministries to accountability. All right, we have to hold them for their responsibility, what they have to do to make sure that these things are being done the right way. What the kwango mo be na contrast say and contrast say ade chia say inti omo ye adwuma no kra na ye ntimi nye ni. One ade no. I am begging the Ministry for Roads and Highway. This must stop. These things shouldn't be happening. And so, obi tine demu. No, they dan over sorry, no den swim. I don't swimming pool, mana. Only our swimming pool, some go swimming pool and go oyebi. No go dem, but on pay swimming pool into our tassase. So, baby, na young queenie yam and feeling soon credit a bar. Baby, I had done. And the eba.
Charlie, this day, if you someday with me, I never will forget you. Everything spoiled. Everything spoiled. You do what I know, brave.
What are we doing? So please, if there's any help out there, yembua Ghana for na ewo kasua no. Mo am kasua na me pa mo cho mo fu say nye safe mo free baby am wo no. Na mo nko baby safe kakra. Me pa mo cho say government ni betima boa am o matima settle sankofo where please let's do that. Please, let's do this, all right? My last point, I'm going to hit it real quick and say, I jump off this window. Because at the end of the day, no, all right, Ghana, we are learning how to talk like Americans. We are learning how to eat like Americans. We are driving American cars. We are doing everything. You be to say America. I didn't ye coin. Any and gottes, no, to say America, dear. Ye entire dear, the way I casa, and ye my kukosuna. I didn't mean yet to say the way I ever see a portrait, no. So please, somebody must help, all right? Yapamo chopper, let's help and get this thing done quickly. So that omo baby no, omo muni baby no muna akwaka baby no, obieti could be saved. So till we meet again, make sure you are safe. Make sure you watch the Prince Prime Show. Please, let's subscribe. Let's make this the #1 show. Because you're the nyama be breba, mukra want me take. So there's here. Alright, till we meet again. Holla.
I ain't got no time to smoke this, hold this. Yo, G, go by in a black top.